That's 10. Yeah, 10, 20, and 5. Nuts. Yeah. Gotcha. What are the characteristics of unstable air? Turbulence and good surface visibility. Turbulence and poor surface visibility. Nimbostratus clouds and good surface visibility. I'm going to say of unstable air. Turbulence and good surface visibility. Yes. Got that one right. According to 14 CFR Part 107, the remote pilot in charge of the PIC, a small unmanned aircraft planning to operate within Class D airspace, must use a visual observer, is required to file a flight plan, is required to receive ATC or air traffic control authorization. Yes. Class D airspace, yes, you are required. Class D, C, you are required to get ATC authorization. Operator of an aircraft that has been involved in an incident is required to submit a report to the nearest field office of NTSB within 7, 10, or when requested. When requested. No, it's not. Within 10 days. Why? It's confusing me. Because it's saying operator aircraft has been involved in an incident. Well, it all depends on whether you hurt somebody or if you have over $500 in property damage. Maybe they're talking about if you have had that. But there is also one that says only upon request. Huh. Oh, maybe if you're flying outside, if you've flown outside of a waiver. But that's the answer. Operator aircraft has been involved in an incident and is required to submit a report to the field office of NTSB within 10 days. Ugh. 1 alcoholic drink, 1 ounce of liquor, 1 bottle of beer, or 4 ounces of wine can be detected in the breath and blood test for 3 hours? I'm reading that one. For up to 3 hours. Don't fly under the influence. Using a small UA in a commercial operation, who is responsible for briefing the participants about emergency procedures? Remote PC, FAA inspector in charge, or lead visual observer? Well, who's in control? The remote PIC. Alright. One more. According to 14 CFR Part 48, when would a small UA owner not be permitted to register it? All persons must register their small UAs. Owner is less than 13 years of age. If the owner does not have a valid United States driver's license. In this case, the owner is less than 13 years of age. In this case, owner is less than 13 years of age. Very good. Why is frost a flight safety hazard for a small UA? Frost indicates a lack of moisture in the air. Frost makes it difficult for the pilot to maintain visual line of sight. Frost disrupts the flow of airflow over the wings and can drastically reduce the production of lift. Okay, when you're looking at that, the frost disrupts the flow of airflow over the wings and can be drastically reduced production of lift. Yes. Alright. Should do it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, especially if you're taking it, or you plan to take it, or you've got your license. I would like to hear from you. And definitely share. Catch you on next.